In this video, we'll explain how to properly install the pedestal on GE UltraFresh front-load washers and dryers. To complete this task, you will need a 1/4 inch socket and nut driver, a 5/8 inch open-end wrench, safety gloves, safety glasses, and a level. Installation will be the same process on both the washer and dryer. Note that the bottom pedestal bracket that comes with the pedestal can accommodate laundry units with a 32-inch depth or a 34-inch depth, but is oriented differently for each. Be sure to double-check the depth of your laundry units before beginning. If they measure 32 inches, align the rear pedestal bracket as shown with the bracket sitting completely on the pedestal. If they measure 34 inches, then flip the bracket so it extends off the end of the pedestal slightly. Secure the bracket on both sides with the provided screws. Now install the front pedestal bracket on both sides as shown. Then install the 4 leveling legs into the bottom of the pedestal, screwing them all completely to achieve the minimum height. Next, lay the appliance on its back on a protective surface. Rotate the leveling legs to the right until they are completely retracted to their minimum height. Install the front brackets on the unit by lining up 2 bracket holes with the 2 holes closest to the front and the 2 outermost holes on the bracket. The bracket should not go beyond the edge of the appliance. Secure the bracket in place by partially installing the first screw. Fasten the second screw completely. Then return to the first and completely tighten. Repeat for the other side. Now install the rear brackets on the appliance. Begin by lining up the bracket with the top 2 holes on the rear bottom of the appliance. Secure the bracket in place by partially installing the first screw. Fasten the second screw completely. Then return to the first and tighten. Repeat for the other side. Next, pick up the pedestal and hook the front brackets of the pedestal to the front brackets of the appliance. Make certain that the rear brackets of the pedestal align with the appliance. The rear appliance brackets should be on the inside of the rear pedestal brackets. Slightly fasten all 4 bracket pairs with the 4 screws provided. Do not fasten completely. Now stand the appliance upright and make sure that it is completely level. Check front to back and side to side. Adjust the leveling legs as needed. Then use a wrench to tighten the lock nuts on the leveling legs to minimize any vibration during operation. Next, completely secure the front bracket screws, then completely secure the rear bracket screws. Finally, lower the appliance's leveling legs so that they make full contact with the pedestal. Your pedestal installation is now complete, and your appliance is ready for final installation. For more information about our products, visit geappliances.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates and more.